Hey, it's Walter and Chris. We are at the B&H Build Expo, B&H's 50th anniversary. Cooke is excited to be here. I'm assuming Chris would let us know that. We are doing 2 Cooke lenses. Luckily, they have an FX6 on the camera right, my left, which is going to be using a 30, is it 50? 50? 50. So we have a 50 millimeter Cooke lens. We also have a 32, I believe.
Yep.
So we're doing 4 cameras, 2 on Cooks, which is excited, and Chris is going to tell us all about it. Thank you, Chris.
Thanks, Walter. Should I go? Yeah. I'm Chris Dehancer with Cooke Optics, and we are at the first Bild Expo at the Javits Center in New York, presented by B&H. It is B&H's 50th anniversary. So from Cooke Optics, we wanted to say happy anniversary to B&H. We're very, very proud to be here and proud to sponsor and to exhibit. And we're extremely excited to debut our brand new Cooke SP3 lenses. The Cooke SP3s are bringing the Cooke look to mirrorless and to the masses. And what is the Cooke look? The Cooke look is a cinema-defining look that's been around for 100 years. We've actually been around since 1893. And at a point, 100% of MGM's films had been shot on Cooke in the 1930s, in the golden age of cinema. And we've redefined cinema over and over again. But by defining that look, we've won an Academy Award. We've done a lot since then. And now we're bringing that to new camera formats like the FX6 over here. We have it on the FX3. We have it on red on a booth to my left here. And we're trying to bring that cinematic look to more avenues. And we're doing that with these Cooke SP3s. The Cooke SP3s debuted with 5 focal lengths. That's a 25, a 32, a 50, a 75, and 100. They're all uniform geared for lens swapping. They're all T 2.4 f-stop. They have a 58 millimeter thread, with the exception of the 100 millimeter that has a 77 millimeter filter thread. And that's going to be for primarily our ND users, filter users, variable NDs, polarizers, things like that. The lenses will come natively in E-mount with an RF mount included in the box, with instructions for users to be able to swap those mounts. So you won't have to go to a service center. You won't have to ship it in or anything like that. You, the user, will be able to switch these mounts. Down the road, after this launch, we're going to make L mounts and M mounts also available. And so right now we have the SP3 5 lens set available. You could also buy them individually. They are available now at B&H and shipping now. Once again, happy anniversary to B&H. We could not be more proud to be a sponsor at the show. If you want some sample footage, here I am on the FX3 with the 32 millimeter. The 32 is a signature Cooke focal length. We've been doing that for all of our series of lenses. It just differentiates us a little bit from the pack. Over to my left here, we have the Sony FX6 with a 50 millimeter lens. And please come try them out. Come to the Bild Expo, support B&H, sign up for Cooke's newsletter on our website, follow us on Instagram, and please check us out on YouTube. We have some great SP3 footage on our YouTube channel, so you can see the footage for yourselves. Stay in touch and have a great show. Thanks, Walter.
Thank you.